circular strike. So I'm going to show you a way how we set it up. But this strike is really, the purpose of this strike could be if the person is down trying to fight, it could be the top of the head, or the hand. We want to strike the hand. The hand might have a knife in it. It might have something sharp trying to hurt you. This stick is designed to smack that hand. So that's what this strike is designed for. So let me try to set you up for it. So just kind of bear with me. I'll show you just a couple options of how to get to it. We're already doing great about keeping our left hand up. So that's what we want. That's the number one thing. Keep this up. I'm facing my target right here. Here's my stick right here. This is my hand. So here's how we set this up. Remember the X pattern, the number one strike? Can you raise your hand if you tell me what the number one strike is? What's the number one angle? What's that first angle you learned? 45-degree clavicle. Okay? That's what I want you to do first. As you step forward, just like Master Patterson said to me earlier, remember? So here, watch me. I just step forward, and I do my number one strike. Look where it went. See where it went? Because I might have done a number two strike back. See that? I just stepped forward. I went one, and I did two. That was my X. But now I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm going to do my number one, and watch how I bring it back, and then I'll set it up for the next phenomenal strike, circular strike. So I go one. That's right here, right? This hand stays here for what? Why do we keep our hand up? Protect my face. Like my nose don't need to be broken anymore. Okay? So here we go. Stay right here, right? All this does is I just turn it. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. See how I'm going in a circle? See that? That's all I'm doing. See that? Circular strike. So here's how I do it. I just step up, I go one angle, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I step back. So here's what I want you to do on the pad. I want you to step forward and throw an angle 1. I want you to hit the pad 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come back to your regular position. Can you handle that? The circular strike is good for what? Knocking weapons out of hands. Someone trying to grab on, striking that hand. There's a lot of tendons and ligaments and bones in this hand. You strike that hand, that weapon's going to drop. If you don't believe me, grab a soda bottle and stick it in front of my hand, and I'll just whack it. Like soda pop will be in your hand. So from right here, left hand up. Stick goes to its home where it's supposed to go. It has to have a home. I step forward, I throw my angle 1, and then this hand doesn't move. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what do I do after my fifth? Return back to what? I like the face. I want to move right here, just facing your target right there. Okay? So let's do that on the pad. Let's see if we can do that. Okay?